Are you ready to unlock the power of Apple Intelligence on your iPhone? This cutting-edge feature launched with iOS 18.1. This is designed to enhance your communication and productivity. Let's dive into how you can turn it on and start using today. Step 1. First, ensure your device is compatible. Apple Intelligence is available on iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 series, including iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. You'll also need to be running iOS 18.1 or later. If you have not updated yet, go to Settings, General, Software Update to get the latest version. Step 2. Once your device is updated, follow the simple steps to activate Apple Intelligence. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Syn or Siri. Select Get Apple Intelligence. If prompted, adjust your language settings by navigating to Settings, General, Language and Region, and set your primary language to English US. Step 3. With Apple Intelligence activated, you can now enjoy a suite of AI-driven tools. Smart replies in messages quickly respond with suggested replies. Get concise overviews and or unread messages. Summarize text, proofread your writing, or change the tone of your message effortlessly. To use this feature, simply open any text field, whether in messages or notes, and tap on the Writing Tools icon for options like summarizing or organizing text. And there you have it. With just few steps, you have enabled Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. This powerful tool not only streamlines your communication but also enhances your overall productivity while keeping your privacy intact. So go ahead, explore these features and make the most of your iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.